Hello, hello. It's Faithful once again. Um, I'll be giving you guys a quick overview with the market. Nasdaq, April the 27th, 2025. And today's a Saturday, but we're gonna review for tomorrow morning NY Open and try to predict what may happen tomorrow and maybe this week, this whole weekly outlook. There's a lot of news this week. I wouldn't even lie. It's a lot of news, so it's gonna be really tricky to predict this whole weekly outlook since there's NFP, non-farm employment change, there's index news, there's unemployment claims, there's hourly earnings and non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate Friday. So there's a lot of news coming out. There's no news Monday, so it might be a really good day, a trade Monday. Tuesday, as of Tuesday, I wouldn't really trade Tuesday considering the CPI news. And then the next day after that, we have unemployment costs and non-farm employment change. So it might be choppy Tuesday. So I wouldn't trade Tuesday at all. And let's look at the charts. Um, for Monday, I think we might retrace lower towards this daily fair value gap. Maybe try to retrace on this. Look at to the 1 hour real quick. So for tomorrow, Monday, I see tomorrow market potentially going towards the downside, towards this previous daily low, hitting this 1 hour CB that we have respected throughout this whole month. So it got created right here, April the 9th, respected right here, respected it right here. And then as soon as we were bullish, we tap into it, respected it, retraced lower towards this gap, expanded higher, close above, and then we tapped on this Friday. As I said on my other video that I made, I believe Friday, I was expecting market New York Open to tap into this perspective, which we did, and we pushed towards the upside, going towards this 2 weeks. I think it was like a previous weekly high right here. I don't think it was a previous, but it was like a weekly high that I was looking towards getting it taken. So for right now, I mean, since it's Monday, and then we have so much freaking news, I think there's a chance for this low to be taken so we can push higher and manipulate people to think that we are bearish and market's gonna push towards the downside and just manipulate people thinking we're gonna we're gonna start going down. So I think that's market's gonna try to manipulate a lot of people this week, so I'll be careful. But yeah, I'll probably try to see this range getting taken. Or maybe just tap on this 1 hour CB, maybe not. That'll be it. I mean, we do have a zero point 0.5 here, so it's a discount price. This high towards this low. It's a discount price. And let's say market does want to expand a little bit more lower. There's a chance the market can maybe perhaps fill this gap in a little bit more, which wouldn't be surprised if it wants to do that. So there's a lot of possibilities for this week. Um, you can either go towards this downside right here, fill up this gap, or it can either touch this whenever CB take previous daily low, maybe hit the zero point 0.5 where it's at it, but still respect the hourly close candles with this box right here, the 1 hour CB. Just respect it. I don't want to see it close below it because then that means that maybe a change of delivery is being changed. So I'll be really careful. So I really want to see this get respected. And if it doesn't get respected, then I'll have to sit back and see what the market gives me and maybe try to see the change of delivery if it's been changed. But I just want to see this range get respected personally. I mean, there's a chance I can get disrespected considering the amount of needs that we have. So just want to just a heads up. But I mean, let's say we get disrespected, and I would like to see market maybe take this high right here. There's a chance this zero point 0.5 right here, which is I believe in the daily wick, this big ass wick right here. I put the Fibonacci tool, and I want to see the zero point 0.5. There might be some resistance in this range right here, so I'll be aware of that. If you're looking to longs and your limit order or your order is really close towards that range, it might be a big retracement to the downside to push higher again because it's gonna manipulate a lot of people. So I'll really be careful on where you put your stop loss or your limit order because you don't want to place it right here, man. If you're gonna buy, so there's a lot of things that can happen. I mean, we do have a daily fair value gap right here. We have liquidity above, so I'm still bullish overall. I mean, looking on the daily, change the delivery happened right here, and well, I'm pretty much bullish for this whole week, but I wouldn't guarantee that since there's a lot of red folders this week. It's the end of the month. Talking about end of the month, yeah, but we'll see. There's a chance we might just consolidate this whole week because it's the last week of the month. But we'll see. I mean, that's pretty much week, the whole weekly outlook for me as of right now. Things might change though, so I wouldn't 100% count on what I say, but just a little outlook on how I'm looking at and my status on the market for this upcoming week and for tomorrow opening. But yeah, this is faithful. Hopefully you learned something from this, and I'm still a learning ICT trader that's still trying to learn, and hopefully you learned something about this. If you did, you know, put something in the comment section, or if you got any questions, let me know. Appreciate it for watching, and see you on the next one.